Calorie deficit o calorie surplus? Ano ang para sa'yo? Let's make this simple. Calorie surplus, gain weight. Calorie deficit, lose weight. Now you know the difference. Pero kung gusto mo pa ng detailed explanation, keep watching this. Let's start with calorie deficit. Ito yung pagkain ng mas kaunting calories base sa kailangan ng katawan mo. You may be asking, paano papayat kapag ka naka-calorie deficit? Dahil kulang yung calorie na pinapasok mo sa katawan mo, mapipilitan gamitin ng katawan mo yung stored energy o yung fats, kaya ka naglulose ng weight. Here's the math if you want to be on a calorie deficit. First, know your maintenance calories, then bawasan mo ng 200 to 300 calories, and yung lalabas, yun na yung magiging calorie intake mo per day. Pero kung gusto mo na mas mapabilis yung process and mag-burn ka pa ng fats, exercising at least 2 to 4 times per week will help you para mawala yung stubborn fats. Moving on. Calorie surplus naman ay ang pagkain ng mas maraming calories base sa kailangan ng katawan mo. At dahil sobra ang pinapasok mo sa katawan mo, gagamitin ng katawan mo yung extra calories na kinain mo para i-store as fat or energy. Kaya ka naman nag-gain ng weight. Remember na pag naka-calorie surplus ka, mas magiging bulky ka tignan, kaya babay muna sa abs. And here's the math if you want to be on a calorie surplus. First, know your maintenance calories and add 200 to 300 calories, naka-calorie surplus ka na. In simple terms, calorie deficit will help you lose weight using stored energy or fats, while calorie surplus makes you gain weight by saving that extra energy. Yung goal mo ay depende pa rin kung gusto mong mag-gain or mag-lose ng weight. Make sure to follow for more content like this.